guidance kung anong what are we supposed to do in the future.
Sabi po ni Senator Lima, President, kailangan mo daw po with Senator Cayetano yung pinilit yung mga testigo para
Nuwala ka na. Yung mga NBI, garito na ni Esmeralda pati nila sabayan, Lasala. Yung kilala mo lang yan. Maswas pa yan sa akin. Cannot do that with yung ganong karami. You cannot orchestrate the testimony. Magbungguan yan eh. Kung hindi totoo, magbungguan yan.
Sir, do you personally know Matobato, sir?
Hindi.
Pero nakita niyo na po siya, sir?
I don't remember. Kasi lahat ng kagaya nito, when I was mayor, they were providing the security. Puro police, kita mo naman. Itong driver ko, police. And sila Sani, but Sani, yung si Binaventura, when he retired, he was removed from my security. Puro police talaga to. And one time, may mga military men assigned also. I think they're still with yung sa ibang ko. The police, because of the threat against my life, and maybe my family at time provided security for my family, and even the military pitch in.
Mayor, expected niyo po ba na for the next few days maglalabas pa na ibang witnesses?
I really do not, hindi ko hawak. Pero alam ko na ang totoo talaga. I mean, I have a picture of a bird's eye view of what happened there. At ako yung nauna eh. Sinabi ko that, remember when I was summoned by the Senate to testify sa trials. Tapos nagsagutan kami ni De Lima because I said, patayin ko. Really naman tanong yun eh. What will you do if you find David Bangayan smuggling in your city? And I said, I will, for stealing 7 billion of the people's taxes, I will. Nagalis De Lima. Sabi ko, De Lima, it's not my mouth. And also sa lahat na ngayon, lahat ng mga international bleeding hearts, it is not my mouth which is really the problem, and even sa business world. If you think that my mouth is not a good investment here, go out. So be it, you go out. It's drugs. Hindi yung bunganga ako. Ang drugs ang problema natin. Hindi nakakalimutan nila. So what's the value of my... And because iniipit nila ako. When I say na, I will, time and again, as I said, I will kill you if you destroy my country. I will kill you if you destroy the children, our children. What is wrong with that? There is no crime threatening criminals. And yet, itong mga international, mga human rights and everybody, bakit? Sa kung may namatay sila, sinabi ko na nga eh.
Sir, any comment of the discovery of the Mega Factory, Shabu sa Arayat?
Arayat Pampanga po kanina.
Hindi ko na, I was, sinabi lang nitong nakinig sa radyo. Ito, Gomer, driver ko. He was the one who was narrating to me what he heard. I was flying then from, I was coming in from Zamboanga, Cagayan.
May President, lastly po, kailan po possible magpapalabas yung list ng narco politicians and cabinet officials?
You know, I had it revalidated again. Kasi may nakita ako doon ng mga kaibigan ko na hindi ko sukat akalain. Like si Espino, General. I hit a snag there eh. Kaya yung pinarevalidate ko sa mismo mga tao ko na hindi ko makonekta si General Espino, yung governor ng So, ibinalik ko na naman, kagaya nung iba, kindly try to give me an idea how this guy came into the picture. Or for that matter, why is his name nandyan? So give me an idea kung yung link, I need a link. Either a person or an event somewhere.
Thank you.
Thank you, President.
Eh, okay na tayo ha?
Sige po.